Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray! Alright, honey. Blow your candle. Come on, Papa. Make a wish, Papa. Yay! Happy birthday, honey! Hello mga kaput! So, nandito kami ngayon sa bagong place kung saan naghanap kami ng place dito sa Dingalan, Aurora, and you know what? May nakita kaming sobrang ganda. So init, pero I'll show you the view. Honey, say hi to my vlog!
Hello! Welcome to the view!
There you go mga kaputs. Ayan, ang view na nandito. And then marami pa akong bibidyohan ko sila ng super ganda para makita niyo yung clips. Talagang nakaka-in-love ang view dito sa taas na to. And mamaya ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kung anong restaurant to dito sa Dingalan, Aurora, Batanes South East. So mga kaputs, I will bring you all the views right now, okay? So, this is from Pacific Crest. Ito yung name ng kanilang restaurant with amazing view. Hindi ka na talaga ay nako, ewan ko na lang talaga. So, ayan mga kaputs. Ito ay coffee with Baileys, sorry. So, ayun, may konti siyang alcohol. So, we will try. Here you go, honey. Go. And guys, ito yung pag-cook nila ng pizza, talagang literal na oven. So, mamaya makikita natin kung paano nila sinuserve yung pizza and how do they made it. Tingnan mo naman, talaga naman. And yes, the chef here is the owner itself. And it's okay. Mr. Jeff, the owner and slash the chef. That's how he made the pizza.
Pizza oven maker.
And pizza oven maker too. Thank you so much for letting us come here. Oh my God, the fire is on. Look.
That's a real pizza.
What you say?
That's a real pizza.
Oh yeah. So let's dig in. Ooh. Piña colada with Bacardi. Ito yung kanilang mga menu, guys. Okay. Basa-basa na lang, tas post-post. O, sige. Ang sarap nung ano nyo, B, yung piña colada nyo. The best ever dito. Di ba halatang ano? Yung margarita nila sa... Next is pasta.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yes. So, ayan ang kanilang Facebook page. Tadaan!
Pwede mo rin lang same with ko, B? Para let's save, ano?
Oh, go, babe. Sige. And then here is the inside po ng kanilang simple and humble restaurant. Yan. Diba? Ang perfect, diba? Chill na chill. Parang feel at home. And then yung kanilang bar. And William and Baba, of course. As usual. And then, eto po ang kanilang resort dito. Sobrang lapit. Kalsada front lang siya. And then, here we go. Honey, the Pacific Crest. Meron silang second floor and third floor as well. Kung saan natin binidyohan kanina mga kaputs yung kanilang mga view. So, ayun na. So, what you can say about the Pacific Crest, honey?
Pizza is awesome.
Alright. And how about you, Baba? Okay, mga kaputs. So, hanggang dito na lang. Honey, close my vlog.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Please make a thumbs up for the likes.
Thank you.